Hello highly esteemed viewers, welcome to our maths tutorial for today. In our maths tutorial today, we are going to solve for the value of y in this barely exponent equation. We are given 2 to the power of 3 to the power of y equal to 3 to the power of 2 to the power of y. It's a nice exponential equation. I know you must be wondering how to solve this question, but stay tuned and continue watching. You'll see how we're going to solve this. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can be notified once I upload my daily maths Olympiad solution videos. Thank you. Now, to solve this question, many will want to look at taking the log of both sides or the natural log of both sides. I think that's a very good option because that will help us simplify this equation. Now let's look at taking the natural log of both sides. If we take the natural log of both sides, we're going to find out that this will give us the natural log of 2 to the power of 3 to the power of y, and this will be equal to the natural log of 3 to the power of 2 to the power of y. Now, according to the law of indices, this power comes over here while this comes over here, and this will be 3 to the power of y multiplied by the natural log of 2 equal to 2 to the power of y multiplied by the natural log of 3. So we can simplify this further by dividing both sides. By doing this, we have 3 to the power of y divided by 2 to the power of y, and this will be equal to in of 3 divided by the in of 2. This is mathematical. So if we do this, we can now simplify this to be 3 to the power of 2 divided by 2 all to the power of y equal to in of 3 and in of 2. Having done this, what we need to do next is to still take the natural logarithm of both sides. Now, if we take the natural logarithm of both sides, we're going to have the in of 3 to the power of 2 all to the power of y equal to, and this will be the natural logarithm of all this natural log. Remember, we can find this natural logarithm separately because their values can be easily sorted out. So if we do that, we are going to have this value. So if we take the natural logarithm of both sides, this will come over here, and this will give us y multiplied by the natural log of 3 divided by 2 equal to, and this will give us the natural log of 3 divided by the natural log of 2. So we can divide both sides by the natural log of 3 over 2. If we do that, our y will now be equal to the natural log of 3 divided by the natural log of 2, all divided by the natural log of 3 divided by 2. So that's exactly what our solution will give us. Now you can point your calculator to find the value of this. First of all, you find the value of the natural log of 3 divided by the value of the natural log of 2, right? And then you divide it by the natural log of 3 divided by 2. And that will give us the solution to the value of y. That is what I have for you for today, and I know you do enjoy watching this tutorial video. Do share with your friends, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish to see you watch our subsequent videos.